Welcome back to Carry Station. Today we are going to create a part by using this. We are going to use this hem feature in the sheet metal. To use this, first we have to create a sheet metal. For this, top plane, sketch, simply a center rectangle, make a rectangle, and dimensions. Okay, that's 150 mm, and this one 100 mm. Okay, now sheet metal, base flange, and 2 mm, yeah, it's okay, 2 mm. Okay, now we have created a base flange, that's one sheet metal. Now if you want to use hem, hem means curls edges of a sheet metal. So how can we use? If I click on hem, and it's asked me to select an edge, so I have the edge here. You can see how it's going to create a hem. If I click here, it will create it will be inside of the sheet metal here. And we have three options. We have four options for the hem. Closed hem, that means it will give zero space between these two surfaces. If I click on here, so I have the option radius, how much I want to give the radius. That means from here to the center of this semicircle. That's 5 mm. If I 15 mm, 15 mm. Okay. Again, edit features. Let me explore you. This one is the second. Open. The next one is teardrop, and the last one is roll. Teardrop. It will show you teardrop. We can change its angle from to 180. Let me show you 20. So it will say you can only select 180 by 270 degrees between this range. So 260. You can see 260 and 275. So we can use only 270, 269. Okay, and I can change the radius, that means from here to here distance, 9 mm, 19 mm. You can see how it's changing. And the last option is the tier one, is the rule. And here I can change to 80, uh, 350. It's okay. It's going to be create a rule. Let's change 30 mm. Okay, it's going to be too much. 10 mm. Edit features, and now it's time to change 100. If I select 130, if I select 150, you can see how it's changing. 190, 230, 230, 260, and the last 360. Okay, wait a minute. 350. You can see it's going to be rolled. So we can use these four options as per our need. Okay, now you can see how it's going to be one side here. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. We explore how to use this ham feature. If you want to know how can we use edge flange and miter flange that we have done in the last two tutorials, then simply go to the previous one and learn how to use this. So hope you will like the tutorial and share your friends, and if you are new for the carrier station, then don't forget to subscribe.